Still at 3240 West Viewmont, coming back from that last tie-in that we just saw. And there's a turn. And then we come back into plastic. Yo. Got it out? Yeah. My man. Alright, I'll be up there in a second. I'm with a customer now. Thank you. Alright, I'll be up there in a minute. Bye. Okay. I'm going to locate this spot now. Where'd the locator go? And back into plastic, and then the rest of this is all plastic. That plastic's in good shape. That stuff's beautiful. I don't know why it's taking so many friggin' turns though. And there's the clean out there. So